We are starting the topic of algebra for O levels and IGCSE, where we are going to define these things one by one. But first of all, we are going to make the definition of this algebra and the words which are being used in this algebraic topic for the different problems. Basically, algebra is the combination of numerical numbers and alphabets. So let's say X, Y, Z, something like they are the alphabets, and 1, 2, 3 are the numbers with the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. With all these parts, we are going to define this topic of algebra one by one. But first of all, there are word problems which are being used. So here we are going to write the words which are being used in that problem, and here is the mass operation for that, how they are going to be operated in mass. Suppose there is a word which is meaning is give, makes, equal, then we write mathematical operation is but equal to sign there. Then there is a word known as we called sum, more, add. For this we are using this plus sign. Then the word is difference, less, minus, subtract. So we are going to use minus signs for that. If the word is used there times, then you are going to use multiplication. For example, 2 times, then this will become 2 into x. If it is 3 times, then in mathematics we call this as 3x. So this is multiplication sign there. If they use the word consecutive in teachers, we know one thing, that the consecutive integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and so on. Because consecutive means one after the other. And since they are integers, so 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards, this will be there. If they use this word consecutive, odd numbers or even numbers, then if first number is odd, then if we add 2 to that, it will be the next consecutive number. If we add 4 to that, it will be the next even number. So if x is the even number, then all even numbers will come. And if x is odd number, then all x odd numbers will come there. This is the few words which are being used in this topic of algebra there. And now we are going to operate it one by one. And with other words, sixth word, we can use it as reciprocal. So x over y, if is there, then the reciprocal of x over y is y over x. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Now we are going to use this one by one in the words problem for that. First, they use this word that sum of two numbers is 9. So this is the statement they have used it here. The sum of two numbers is 9. The sum again means we will check from this that it is the sign plus there. And the two numbers, let's say x and y there. Then from this statement, sum of that x plus y is means what is equal to, and that thing is equal to 9. Second, the difference of two numbers is 10. Let the two numbers are x and y. Now the word is here difference. So that means what? Difference word is used for the minus sign. So if one number is x minus y is equal to 10, or y minus x is equal to 10. So this is the different words they are going to use it for this word there. Similarly, we can use many other words for this. The sum of twice of that number is added to 6 gives 10. Let's say this is the word given to you. First of all, we know that the sum of the twice of that number. So they have used the word twice there. So that means what? Multiplied by 2. Let the number is equal to x. Then they said twice of that number. That means what? Twice of that number will be equal to what? 2x. Number is added. That means what? 2x plus 6 gives, that means what? Equal to 10. So you can find out the value of x from this word problem there. Fourth, the sum of 1/3 of a number to 6 makes it equal to 4. Now we know one thing, that let the number is supposed to be equal to x. Then they said 1/3 of that number. So 1/3 of that number will become equal to 1 over 3x is added to some, that means what? Plus sign to 6. So 1/3 of x plus 6 is equal to, makes it equal to, or equal to, that is equal to 4. So 1 over 3x is equal to 4 minus 6. 1 over 3x is equal to minus 2, or x is equal to minus 6. So this is the way that we are going to find out the word problem into this equation solution there. Let the number is supposed to be x. Then twice of a number, that is making it 2x. Subtracted from 4. So this is the word they are subtracted. That means what? Minus sign from 4. So that means what? 4 minus 2 of x. Then makes it, that means what? Makes means what? You are going to put equal to sign to 10. So 2x should be equal to 4 minus 10, or 2x is equal to minus 6, or x is equal to minus 3. Four times of a number is less than 6. So let again, the number is supposed to be x. Four times of a number. That means what? Four times of that number will make it 4x. Now, four times of that number is less than. We know one thing more there. For less than, they use this sign, and for greater than, they use this sign. So here they are using the less than sign. So 4x less than. That number is 8. Now, dividing both sides by 4. So x is less than 8 by 4, or x less than 2 there. So this is the first part of this words problem, how you are going to shift it to the other form. And we have given some examples to that. And we will now do the second assignment of that, where we use more problems in this part there.